I kept complaining and complaining about the snow until one day we decided enough was enough.
We sold everything, life is too short, bought an RV, renovated it, and hit the road. We said goodbye to Canada and our loved ones.
And we went from here to there in search of our forever home. We got here in Nashville without reservation. We find the RV park.
Lucky.
Perfect place. 15-20 kilometer northeast of Nashville. So we parked, we set up everything. Beautiful place. One of my friends gave me a Chivas Regal and I said, let's have a shot. Both of us were tipsy, hungry. So we walked to this corner store gas station. And then I look at these wings and I'm like, oh, there was two left, like two packets. So picked up a six pack of Budweiser. In really hot days, I like to have a cold beer, so buy it for tomorrow. So the guy said, no charge for the wings. So here we go. We're having wings, 10 o'clock at night, middle of the street.
Nowhere.
Close to Nashville.
And it's good.
Pretty good. Spicy. Good morning.
Morning.
Finally we got settled. Vida
It's hungry.
is hungry and we're taking her to where? Mention something. We're going to downtown. It's, what is it? Tell me. Our first stop.
Belmont Mansion.
Belmont Mansion. We don't know where it is, but we're gonna go see.
We have a map.
That's it. We're gonna go explore the city. Our house is parked and we have 31 kilometers from here to there. It's very close to the city. We're 25 kilometers, 30 kilometers to downtown.
So here's a view from the downtown Nashville.
Downtown Nashville view, don't give me food. I am starving.
I know. Look at this. They have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, not the buildings. 5 lanes
Each side.
on each side. So there is 5 on the other side. This is what I call a nice highway. And this is full traffic. So beautiful. Like it.
Yeah, Thomas, First Junior College of Medicine. Oh, these are
Academic Center.
universities, yeah. So beautiful.
It is. They're nice.
Wow.
In 300 meters, turn left onto 17th Avenue South, Magnolia Boulevard.
Gorgeous.
Oh wow! Look at. Is that a house?
Campus.
Rogers Center.
Yeah, these are campus. University area.
Look at that. Look at
Really
the
nice.
flowers on that tree. Oh.
At the light, turn left onto 17th Avenue South, Magnolia Boulevard. Then turn left onto
That's what they
18th
call it,
Avenue South.
magnolia, because of the flowers. These are magnolias.
Yeah.
Look.
This is the map we got. So our starting point is right here. And then we're gonna go this way. Probably run around where the river is. We're going to eat and then go follow this orange line and finish right back where we started. We are parked, locked, and starting to walk all day, because Vida, she gets satisfied if she walk and walk and walk.
Stop talking and walk.
and- No, look at my two lions, my favorite.
Oh.
See, same as my t-shirt.
The mansion was built in 1853 as
Wow.
a summer home for Joseph and Adelicia.
So you're telling me this was a house for someone?
Yep.
Boy, what a beautiful place. 1853? Oh.
Beautiful Belmont Mansion. Such a stunning place to start a day. Oh boy, there is two lions. I know someone who's gonna take pictures with them.
It's my favorite thing in the world.
Meow.
After all that walking, it's time to fill our bellies. I even took a pill for my back pain. So once we recharge, well, walk and walk and walk until Vida finally runs out of energy. That kitty loves to walk. So what's your burger?
Mushroom, goat cheese, caramelized onion, and beef, obviously.
Show me the first bite.
Oh boy. Hold on.
And look what I got. My regular bacon cheese burger. And she gave me this sauce. Coffee?
Yeah.
Coffee sauce. It's creamy, it's amazing. I love it. And for the past hour and a half, and we are here. The heart of Nashville music. And these guys, Vida asked why they're naked. I think they didn't have time to put clothing on. The hell? So, Union Station. Used to be a train station. And we made it to Union Station Hotel. Once a busy train station from the early 1900s, now one of the most beautiful historic hotels in Nashville. A lot of wedding happens here. It's amazing feeling when you walk in through the lobby. Gives you like it's still waiting for a fancy train to pull in. Let's see a bit of it, and we continue walking and walking and walking. Thing is, the video doesn't justify the beauty of it, though.
No.
It's different, yeah, when you look at it from. My favorite part of the city, we reached the Raymond Auditorium, known as the Mother Church of Country Music. So many legends have performed here, and just around the corner, we made it to the famous Ernest Tube record shop on Broadway. A true Nashville landmark, and so much more. Vida had to force me out of the shop. I don't want to leave. I could have spent hours and hours and hours in that shop.
What are they doing?
They are trying to pretend that they're angels.
Oh boy, oh boy.
But why is that guy there?
He's an angel.
I don't think so. You see, that's what I want. One of those e-bike.
People ride.
That's not for lazy people. That's for smart people.
It's for old and lazy.
Isn't that the car that it was going like?
Yeah, I think so. My baby's first time riding. Get on it. Come on. I'm filming you.
You're not supposed to be on the sidewalk.
It's okay. Come on, it's green. Let's go, it's green. Go. You have brakes. He's been wanting to try this forever.
But I was a good boy, so I walked and I walked and I walked and I walked and I walked. So she bought me a gift. Well, you go to the normal brand. They have really nice clothing, and they offer you shots and cold drinks. We walked all of Broadway. Even though I had back pain, I didn't even feel it. The time goes by so fast. There's so much to see. When they call it Nashville Music City, it really stand by it. It's one of my most favorite city in the entire world.
After that long walk, it was definitely time for dinner. Yeah, I'm always hungry. And on my cheat days, well, that you already know also, it's pizza day.
So as they say, vámonos. So we went to Two Boots Pizza.
Oh boy.
They have been serving Nashville since 1987.
We heard about them, tried it, and now it's officially one of our favorites. And I can say I never had pizza that good, without exaggerating. And I had a lot of pizza in my life, you know that by now.
I used to own a pizza shop, so there we go.
Seriously, anyone coming to Nashville should try them. They totally live up to their reputation. I went for the Mexican style pizza. It was so good.
And I had my favorite pepperoni. Yum, yum, yum.
Boring.
No, it was so good.
After dinner, we walked around, listened to street music, and soaked in the Nashville energy.
Before heading back to the RV park, we soaked it all in. It was such a great day. We really enjoyed ourselves and hope you all did too. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell or jingly bell.
And just when we got home, the weather completely flipped. A crazy rainstorm after such a sunny day.
Why are you hiding here?
I'm getting wet.
Go inside. June 17th. Oh, let's go inside. Oh, it's gonna be flood soon.
Where the light is.
Holy moly!
We'll close today's video with our pictures as a memory of this amazing day.
We'll close today's video here. Thanks for staying with us through part 1 of our Nashville adventure. Part 2 is coming soon, next Friday. See you then.